In my last video, I showed you how to set up OpenClaude for free in 30 seconds. No API key, no sign up, no credit card. Some of you tried it and got this error, 401 API key required. That is because Gitlawb changed the setup after I made that video. But they just released version 0.14 and fixed the whole flow. You now need a free API key. Still completely free, still the same Xiaomi MiMo model. Let me walk you through it step by step. Alright, step 1, open your terminal and run this command. npm install -g at gitlab/openclaude at latest. If you already have OpenClaude installed, this updates it to version 0.14. If you are installing for the first time, this gets you the latest version right away. Wait for it to finish. Step 2. Now launch it. Just type OpenClaude and press enter. You should see the OpenClaude banner come up with the version number at the bottom. Version 0.14.0. Step 3. Type /provider. This opens the provider manager. Select number 1, add provider. Now you see a list of all the available providers. Pick number 1, Gitlawb Opengateway. You see it says free right next to it. That is the one we want. Step 4. Copy the link from the terminal, then go to your browser and paste it. You see a page that says Gitlawb Playground wants to access your X account. This is how they create your free account. Just click Authorize App. It takes you straight to the API Keys dashboard. Step 5. Now you are on the API Keys page. You see 0 active keys because this is a new account. Click the button that says New Key. Give it any name you want. I called mine Test OpenClaude. Click Create Key. Now this is important. It shows you the full key one time only. Click Copy. Save it somewhere safe if you want. Then click Done. Step 6. Go back to your terminal. OpenClaude is waiting for you. It says Step 1 of 2, Default Model. Keep it on MiMo v2.5 Pro. Just press enter. Now it says Step 2 of 2, API key. Paste the key you just copied. Press enter. Select Done. And you should see added provider Gitlawb Opengateway now active. That means it worked. Now let me test it to make sure. I type hello. And there it is. MiMo responds, "Hey, I am here. What can I help you with?" No 401. No errors. Completely working. Now, if you ever need to revoke a key, go back to gitlawb.com/opengateway. You see your key in the list. Click Revoke. It asks you to confirm. Click OK. Done. The key is revoked. You can always generate a new one anytime. One more thing before you go. Right now, during the partnership window, the gateway accepts any bearer token. But eventually, they will enforce real key auth. So, I recommend setting up your key now before it locks down. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more free AI coding tools. See you in the next one.